Today is the last day of 2025. Welcome to 2026. Ya Allah, as we step into this new year, make 2026 a year filled with your guidance, mercy and barakah. Ya Allah, make this year a year where your dhikr increases in our homes, in our actions and in our intentions. Fill our hearts with taqwa, patience, gratitude and love for you, O Allah. Strengthen our faith, instill peace and gratitude in our hearts. Bless our sustenance and grant happiness and success in our lives. Protect us from every hardship, accept our prayers and make us worthy of your closeness and pleasure. Ameen.